Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can undo send in Gmail application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Gmail and I have created a new email in my Gmail. For example, I'm going to send a mail to this account. I'm going to add the subject first. For example, I'm just going to add notification. Okay, and for the email, I'm just going to add hello, how are you? Okay, and I'm going to send the email to this account guys. We can click on the send button to send the email, and you have to click on this undo button. If you want to undo the send, just click on it, and then the email will be automatically cancelled. We can check it in the sent menu. As you can see that there's no email in the sent menu, so the email I have created is cancelled. Alright guys, and that's how we can undo send in Gmail. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.